Yo, hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Now, today I will try to do a certain round perfectly in this game. It's in Roblox obviously. And let's try and see if I can do this right here. Let me first show you the route before I even start. Did I? No. Before I even start, let me show you the route. So I have to go all the way here. Go straight through here. You'll see why immediately. Then I have to go down here. Then I have to turn back like this. This round doesn't count because this is the showcase. And then I have to turn back, go straight ahead, go straight ahead. Here we stop, and then after we go from this station we go straight ahead. And here we turn this way, go straight forward. Ow. Yeah, that's how I damage the buses. Oh, okay. So it goes straight forward. And then we make it this way. We stop here. Then after this we go straight, obviously. Go straight ahead. And then we turn this way. Wait. We turn this way. Go straight forward. Just straight forward. So this is a pretty big route, as you can see. Just straight forward. And then I have to go all the way back here. All the way here. Yeah. This is gonna be a long one. This is a huge route, so let's spawn another one. Let's get in the bus. Shoot, hold on, that's way too loud. That's better. Okay, so here we go. First try. First attempt, I guess. I don't know if I'm gonna first try this. Slowly. Oh yeah, and I have to obey the laws of traffic. So yeah, tell me in the comments if I broke any rules without really knowing. Because if I did, then that's just, yeah, on me. Okay, go straight forward, and then here, slow down. We check if there's anyone coming. There's no one coming. And we go down. We slow down when we stop. Open these. We wait a couple seconds. We close them back. And then we turn back. No, I do not want to have a meeting with the tree. Okay, I made it. Nice. Okay, let's go. Okay, now shoot. Okay. Also, if you didn't see my post, thank you so much for the support on my last video with all these basics in Gumball. I thought it's just gonna be a small video, like I'm gonna get like usually 10 or 20 views max, but I got 367 views and 5 subs. Crazy. Anyways, thank you for the support. And I'm gonna, oh shoot. Oh no! Please tell me there's no visible damage. There's no visible damage. But no, I still broke a lot. I still made an incident. So yeah, I put lives in danger. And because of that, I have to restart. Every video I'm gonna give myself about 3 attempts to do this. Because, you know, why not? Do I use this boss? Nah, I'm gonna still use this boss right here. Spawn. Bam. Okay. Let's go. Oh, wait, can a boss even fit here? No, it cannot. Oh my god, a boss cannot even fit on those lanes. Okay, turn on the lights. Don't go too fast. Okay, let's stop, watch if anyone's coming, then go. Okay. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's go. Okay, slowly. Okay, let's stop at the station. Stop. Okay. Okay, hopefully I don't mess up again. Okay, let's stop. Oh, no one's coming. Turn this way. That was close. We go straight forward. Ah, shit. That's technically illegal, but there was no one, so yeah. There's no, like, guy walking down the street, so yeah. That doesn't really count. Okay. Okay. continue. Going straight forward. Okay, I think I should slow down. Okay. Go, go, go. Okay. Whoa. Oh, slow down. Okay, go. Better do this. I know what I'm gonna do is do the second try. Do the second try, bro? Off camera, I couldn't do this whatsoever, bro. Damn, I actually did it. Actually did it first try, huh? Anyways, this was a video. I mean, it's not that big of a video, but I don't know what to like do anymore, so yeah. Or should I like... Nah, we're gonna do that next video. Anyways, bye!